Hello students, today we will study class 5th chapter The Land of Sand. It is a very interesting chapter. So let's learn about this chapter and the content. First of all, what is a desert? So a desert is an area which receives scanty rainfall, means very less rainfall. It covers about 1/5 of the land area of the world. Now, in this chapter, we will learn about the hot deserts. Although we are having a different variety of deserts. So, first of all, types of deserts. Hot deserts, for example, Sahara Desert and the Thar Desert. Temperate deserts. Examples are Gobi and Great Basin deserts. And the third type is cold desert. And the example of cold deserts are Antarctica, Arctic and Ladakh desert. Now in this chapter we will learn one of the major hot desert of the world, that is Saudi Arabia. The location of Saudi Arabia is in the Southwest Asia and it occupies most of the Arabian Peninsula. Saudi Arabia is sandwiched between the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea. A major portion of this country is high with mountains and there are 3 deserts in Saudi Arabia. These are An-Nafud, Dahwa and Haso. Now let's learn more about Saudi Arabia. Oasis. Oasis is a place in desert where water is available. As you can see in this picture, the first picture is of oasis. In Saudi Arabia, there are no permanent rivers or lakes, but there are gullies that carry rainwater with them, and these gullies are called wadis. The climate of Saudi Arabia. The climate of this country is extremely hot. Very often it experiences the world's highest temperature at 52 degrees Celsius. The summer season of Saudi Arabia is from May to September and the winter season is from October to April. Now let's learn about the plant life of this country and the desert region. There are various types of cacti grow here because many of the plants cannot survive in this desert region. Most of the plants of this area have long roots that go deep into the ground in search of water. Cacti have thorns instead of leaves so that there is less loss of water through evaporation process. The other plants found here are date palms, barley, wheat, cotton, rice, ragi and tobacco. Now let's learn about the animal life in Saudi Arabia. The most useful and important animal found here is the sheep of the desert, that is camel. Other animals which are found here are ostrich, oryx, gazelles, baboons and hyenas. Now let's learn about the life of people and their lifestyle. Saudi Arabia is very rich country in petroleum reserves and that has made the life of people very prosperous. In towns and cities, people enjoy a modern and comfortable lifestyle and they mostly live in very good places and that is comfortable one. People work as traders, executives and in factories. The next type, that is the second category of people, those are living in villages. They follow a very simple lifestyle and they earn their livelihood by tending flocks of sheep, goats, and camels. Many of the people still leads a nomadic lifestyle and they move in search of green pastures. They live in tents made of animal hide and clothes. And one such group of nomads is Bedouins. Now, in the second picture, you can see lots of camels are moving in a long row. And this row is called as caravans. In this, the nomads move with their camels and their belongings. These are the pictures of traditional costumes of Saudi Arabia. In the first picture, you can see this is the costume of men and known as thab. In the second picture, you can see a woman costume and it is known as abba. So these are the traditional one. In the first picture, all the men, they wore a ring on their heads and this ring is woven from the camel hair. Now, the industries and trade of Saudi Arabia. As we learned earlier that Saudi Arabia is one of the largest producers of petroleum in the world. Many petroleum refineries have been set up here. Other factories, those are found here, are cement, petrochemical factories, iron and steel, fertilizer industries, and many other textile, leather shops, and handicraft industries. Some of the major commercial and business cities of Saudi Arabia are Jubail, Dammam, and Yanbu. Rest of the important city of Saudi Arabia. Riyadh. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia and this city is well equipped with modern facilities. It is a modern town with high skyscrapers, beautiful parks, markets, schools, colleges and hospitals. The roads are very broad and lined in this city. The next important city is Jeddah. It is a commercial city and a busy seaport. It is located on the west coast of Saudi Arabia. People from all over the world visit this place. Makkah and Medina. These are very important cities of Saudi Arabia. These both cities are holy cities of the Muslims. Muslims from all over the world visit these cities. Now, Saudi Arabia has set an example of a country whose government has used the natural resources well, set up industries, and converted a barren desert land into a rich and prosperous country. With this, we end up this chapter here. Thank you and we'll meet in the next video.